Rise in COVID cases is creating a massive demand for more testing. In fact, a new testing site opened up today at UC Health with help from the Ohio National Guard. Local 12's James Pilcher is live to tell us how it went. James?
Hey, thanks, Megan. Like you said, this site behind me opened up today at UC Health with the help of 10 fully vaccinated Ohio National Guard members. Now, the Cincinnati Mayor Pureval thanked the state for the help with all this testing. He said the city needs a lot more.
In a joint press conference with the new mayor from Cleveland Tuesday, Cincinnati Mayor Pureval said the city is trying to meet demand for testing, but
we need more help from the state. We're struggling to get enough tests to make sure that we can fulfill the commitment we've made to have the testing available to our citizens commensurate with the demand.
The UC site opened up Tuesday, the first site in Hamilton County to use the National Guard members assigned last week by Ohio Governor Mike DeWine. It comes as the city has seen more than 4,000 new cases just in the last 5 days. And Southwest Ohio has seen more than 230 people hospitalized due to COVID in the last 2 days. UC Dr. Dustin Calhoun couldn't say how many tests the new site could handle daily, but said the UC lab would try to get the results back in 24 hours, and it would keep demand from hitting overworked private labs. Also opening Tuesday was a site sponsored by the city at New Prospect Baptist Church in Bond Hill. Officials there report more than 100 showed up for testing just in the first few hours. I also checked in with the Health Collaborative on efforts to get more testing to other counties like Butler, Claremont, and Warren. Spokeswoman Tiffany Mattingly says the region is hoping for another team from the National Guard to help in more remote areas. As for Northern Kentucky, the sites at Gravity Diagnostics were as busy as ever, including sites at Covington and the Florence Mall.
We have people here, probably 100 cars deep, an hour prior to our opening time frame.
Now, one thing pushing this demand even further is the slow rollout of the Biden administration's mandate requiring large employers to either have their employees tested regularly or be fully vaccinated. We're still waiting on the Supreme Court to rule on that, but it is being rolled out this week. So some people are requiring testing even more. Now, I did ask the health officials whether or not they were concerned that the current numbers are actually being underreported, with people staying home and not getting tested with COVID symptoms, or if they're just taking the at-home tests and not reporting those numbers. They say it is a concern and that they are trying to get communication lines open and teach people how to report their numbers if they do test positive at home. But they say they have a good understanding of just how fast this is spreading throughout the community with the numbers they have now. Live in Corryville, James Pilcher, Local 12 News.
James, thank you. And if you need to find a testing site, we have a list of all the facilities and sites offered at our website, local12.com.